Hey Lunchbox fam, what is up? My name is Emma Capotis. I'm the Director of Community and Culture here at Lunchbox, and today we have a really fun video in store for you guys. So I am actually about to head out for my first camping trip in quite a few years. So I wanted to vlog the whole experience for you guys and take you along with me this weekend. I'm gonna be putting my Lunchbox hydration pack to the test this weekend because we plan on doing some hiking excursions and other activities throughout the weekend. So I'm gonna start off by showing you guys what I am packing in my hydration pack, and then you will come along with me for the rest of the weekend. We are actually driving about 3.5 hours north to an area right outside of Ithaca, New York. So it's gonna be a good weekend. Weather's not looking so great right now. It's gonna be a little bit cold, but we're gonna pack everything that we need to have a successful camping trip. So let's get into it. All right, you guys, I'm gonna show you now what I plan on taking in my hydration pack for the weekend because I really wanna be prepared for all of the hiking and all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna start with the top pocket in the bag, which is massive, and with the V2 of the Lunchbox, we have a new mesh pocket here on the inside. So we are gonna be packing this full. So first off, we have a sandwich. I'm gonna put this in the mesh pocket here on the outside and just slip that right in like so that's nice and snug in there. And then in the interior pockets here against the back, I'm gonna take things like granola bars with me. I'm also taking Purell because COVID, we have to be prepared just in case we need that. Sliding that into the side pocket there. Because I like to be over prepared just in case anything happens, I'm taking Band-Aids and Aleve in case anybody isn't feeling well this weekend or needs some first aid. So we're popping that right in the top as well, so that's in there. I'm also bringing Kleenex just in case anyone needs to blow their nose. And of course, a mask. I'm not really sure what the campground guidelines are as far as health and safety right now with COVID, but just in case I need it, I'm gonna put that in the top pack as well. So we've got a ton of stuff in here already and there's still more room, but I'm gonna keep it to that for now. So we're gonna close up the top pack there. All right, turning my attention to the front of the bag. The front mesh pocket here is where I always put my cell phone because it sits right on your chest, like so. And this mesh pocket was actually expanded in version 2. So if you guys have a bigger phone, it will definitely fit in this space. Okay, now to the bottom pack, which is where your bladder is gonna sit, which I will definitely be filling up when we go hiking. I'm gonna put my larger items in here. So I've got my Lunchbox Power Box. This thing holds a ton of extra juice and battery for your phone, so I definitely want to bring that to the campground. So I'm gonna put that right on top of my bladder, and a beanie because I get so cold and I think it's gonna be like 30 something degrees at night. So I'm gonna put that down here in the bottom bladder space as well. And then on the side here, guys, you have your side mesh pocket. I am personally gonna be putting some bug spray in there because I always get eaten alive whenever I'm outside. So I'm just gonna pop that so it's easy to grab whenever I need it. So that's everything. We are fully prepped and ready to go for our camping and hiking trip for the weekend. The next time you guys will be seeing me will probably be setting up the campground. So I will see you guys in a few. Morning. Say good morning to the vlog.
Morning.
Good morning!
What it is.
Good morning.
All right, guys, we're starting off our morning strong.
Morning chug.
It's 10:30 a.m. guys. Welcome to the vlog. This is amazing. All right, good morning, you guys. Welcome to the vlog today. We are at Buttermilk Falls in Ithaca, New York. I'm sorry I didn't get any footage last night. We got here at 10:30 p.m. so we set up everything in the dark, and now we are about to go hiking. You guys saw our little warm up for the hike, and after that we're just gonna be hanging out. I have my lunchbox all packed and ready to go for the activities. I think there's gonna be a waterfall on the hike we chose, so get excited. All right, guys, we are on trail number 2. We opted for the easier, shorter trail because the first one was all uphill, so we were absolutely dying. The falls looked amazing though, so it was definitely worth it. But this is the second one we're doing, and then we're heading back to camp. We're back at the falls now. We came all the way around. So dope. It's like all raining down around me. This is honestly really, really pretty. I'm glad we went down this trail, but it's packed. All right guys, we're almost done. That was very fast. What do you think that was, a half an hour?
We still have to go all the way back.
Got the whole crew here. All right, you guys, so we are back at the campsite now. You just saw we made some chicken and rice, which was chef's kiss, so good. I'm exhausted. That hike took a lot out of me. I don't hike very often, but right now we're gonna play some cornhole, just hang out, have a couple of drinks, and just pretty much chill until it's dinner time. And right now the weather's also kind of holding up, so it's still nice and sunny out, even though I'm wrapped in the biggest, comfiest coat possible. But anyway, I'm glad I brought my hydration pack. Everyone loved my skin I was wearing, even though they felt like they couldn't look at it that long without getting dizzy. But at least it stands out in the woods. Just cooking up wiener. I can't. Good morning, you guys. So we are actually all packed up and about to head home. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. We had the best time getting away for the weekend and just hanging out with each other. So I'm a little bit hungover, but that means it was a good night. If you guys are new here, we would absolutely love it if you would hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more vlogs on our channel. You can also follow along with us at It's Lunchbox on Instagram and Lunchbox Fam on TikTok. And there's a link down below if you guys want to join the Lunchbox Fam on Facebook. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.